Now we are going to see each of these models individually. First one, infrastructure as a service, IaaS. IaaS gives users access to storage, networking, servers, and other computing resources via the cloud. So this is what we have seen. If anybody wants to build their particular website, if they want to host an e-commerce website, they will not buy these servers. They will just go to the cloud server provider, that is the service provider, and they will request for this type of service. IaaS provides automatic and scalable environment that provides high degree of control and flexibility for the users. Now here scalability means you can change the environment. You can upscale or downscale. Now what do we need? Now I have a website. I have an e-commerce website. On general base, it has normal traffic. On festive season, the traffic is very high. And if the traffic is very high, I will require 2 servers. Okay, so my requirement has increased. However, for other days, my requirement remains only 1 server. So I can increase my requirement. Only for the festive time, I can say that I need 2 servers. So for that particular festive month, for 1 month, I can say I'll use 2 servers. Rest of the time, I'm going to use 1 server. So this is scaling up and scaling down the environments. This provides flexibility to the users also. Now it depends that if I want to use for how much duration. If I say that second server which I need is going to be utilized only during daytime. So it is my choice. It is giving me flexibility to control how much do I need and when do I need. Next, example, Amazon Web Server, AWS, EC2, Microsoft Azure, VM, Google Computer Engine, GCE. So these are the major service providers which are providing services. Next, key points, that is key features. Instead of purchasing hardware outright, users pay for IaaS on demand. So when they have the demand, they will utilize, otherwise they can stop also. Next, infrastructure is scalable depending on processes and storage needs. So we've just seen we can increase the need to 2 servers, 1 server. It all depends how our application is working. Next, enterprises save the cost of buying and maintaining their own hardware. An individual is not required to buy any hardware, or it is not required to worry about maintaining. They just are renting it from these service providers. Next one, platform as a service, PaaS. The service provider offers access to cloud-based environments in which users can develop, manage, and deliver applications. So here, this particular service is related for developers. We've already discussed this. If they want to develop any kind of applications, if they want to develop any apps, they can make use of platform as a service. They can use their tools, they can use their different directories which are available, libraries, all of them can be used by them. In addition to storage and other computing resources, users are able to develop, customize, and test their own application. So they can store their data also there. Whatever application they have, they can store it there. They can develop, they can make the changes, they can test their application. Once the applications are ready, they can move out of the service. Key features of PaaS. PaaS provides a platform with tools to test, develop, and host applications in the same environment. So it is basically giving you an environment, a platform for testing, developing, and working working regarding the project. Next, enables organizations to focus on development without having to worry about underlying infrastructure. They don't have to worry about what infrastructure is needed, what servers are needed, or how this is going to be deployed, how this is going to be built. Nothing to worry. They just need to focus on one thing, which is development and development of the application. Next, provide managed security, operating systems, server software, and backups. So it is providing security, it is providing operating systems, backups, server software. Everything is being given to a person who is taking platform as a service. Facilitates collaborative work even if teams work remotely. Now, if let's take for example, two of the people are sitting in Pune, five of the people are sitting in Delhi. They don't have to worry about the place. They can just log in with the ID password on this particular platform, on this service which they have taken, and they can work together in a team. They can exchange their code, they can exchange their findings, and it can be a collaborative work for them. Okay, so these are the key features which are related to platform and service. Let us go to the next one, the last one, software as a service. A service provider delivers software and applications through internet. Now YouTube, Gmail, these are the different softwares which are available through internet, and end user is using them. Users do not install applications on their local devices. Instead, applications reside on remote cloud networks, accessed through the web or an API. We are not going to install any of these applications. We are just going to use them on the internet, and our work is done. Like, let's take for example Google Drive. I am uploading my photos on the Google Drive. I am not going to load it on the local machine. It is present on the client. It's present on the cloud. I can use any device for checking my photos. It need not be the same device. Examples: Google G Suite, GitHub, SAP, Slack, Dropbox. So these are the various software which are available in this service. Key features. First one, SaaS vendors provide users with software and applications via subscription model. Now what happens is there can be a subscription, like for 1 month you buy this subscription and you will get this software. After that 1 month you can decide to continue with the subscription or leave the subscription. So you can use that software for 1 month. Next, users do not have to manage, install or upgrade software. There is nothing like installing, upgrading. You can just go to internet and log into that particular software and start using it. Data is secure in a client. Equipment failure does not result in loss of data. So now if my photos are available on Google Drive, I do not have to worry if my laptop does not work. If there is any problem with my laptop, my data is secure. My photos are secure. I can use any other device, log into my account, and I can get back my photos. Next point. Use of resources can be scaled depending on the service need. Now here also, you're going to pay for only the services that you're using. It is no such thing that you have to pay for the complete package. If you are using only for say 1 month or 15 days, you are going to pay only for that. You can scale up and down. In 1 month you can say I'm going to use for a longer time, for longer services, so you can upgrade and degrade the plan. Applications are accessible from any internet connected device, from virtually anywhere in the world. So once you have taken the software as a service, you can use internet and connect it from any place. Okay, so this is facility is anytime, anywhere, any place. You need not worry about these three factors. So these are the different key features. This is all about your different models. I hope you are understanding these models. Thank you.